In a world of noise, truth speaks soft, not in echoes of trends, but in timeless thought. Islam does not shout, it resonates. A whisper to the soul that says, you were made for more. Logic begins where questions are born. Who made me? Why am I here? Islam answers not with riddles, but with reason wrapped in revelation. One God, no partners, eternal and seen, ever near. A creator with no image to chase, just signs in the stars and structure in the cell. The Quran, it taxed and touched for over 1446 years. Not edited, not evolved, yet evolving minds still marvel at its words. Literary miracles, scientific signs, guidance for hearts, not just scholars. Praying 5 times, discipline in devotion. Fasting, not just abstinence, but awakening. Charity, not a donation, but purification. Hajj, not a trip, but a return. Each act is a logic. Each logic is a path back to purpose. Islam does not fear questions, it invites them. For every doubt, there is direction. For every skeptic, there is a sign. You are not asked to believe blindly. You are asked to reflect, to read, to reason, to feel. Islam is not just true, it's true to all mankind and you.